Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making some Japanese curry and pork tonkatsu. So let's try the Japanese curry with pork katsu. So let's try it with the rice first. It has the right consistency together with some heat, and the spices in the Japanese curry work so well. I decided to dice the carrots and potatoes into very small cubes today because I feel that it helps in terms of the texture of the curry, and also it breaks down even faster. And now it's in a very nice consistency, which is soft but not that mushy. So last but not least, let me try one of the pork katsu cutlet. A nice piece. I love to dip it with the Japanese curry when I'm cooking it this way. It's so good. I love how crispy the pork katsu is, and it pairs so well with the Japanese curry because it coats the crispiness of the katsu, but it does not make the katsu soft. It actually coats it well, adds flavor to the katsu, yet maintaining that crisp texture of the katsu, and it's so well balanced together. So this is one of my comfort meals, and it's easy to cook and quick to prepare. So I hope you guys can try this recipe out as well, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more recipes, and also like this video if you like what you're seeing. So yep, see you guys next time. Bye.